will be on hold all non-emergency traffic.
I'm still on hold with music for the main lobby. I'm not getting anybody at the desk right now on phone. Did you when they're ready?
Let's go on the LT. Stack up.
There he is. There he is. Right there.
On the ground now!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Down! On the ground! Do it now! Drop that
Get on your car.
Down! On the ground! Do it now!
On!
Roll out! Lay down! Roll out! Do it now! Put your arms in front of you! Put your arms in front of you!
Got you. I'm on you.
Stand in front of me. Get in front of me. Just yellow. Come behind you. Austin.
Head straight out in front of you, don't
Behind you.
move!
Austin, go in. Grab his hands. Cuff him up. We're
You
cover.
understand? Do not move!
Cover. Get the phone away. Take the phone away. Cover the entrance, LT. Get your back. Yeah.
What is this?
Let's go.
All right, you got his arm? Grab that arm.
You good?
Yep.
37, and we have one detained, just one. We're in the main entrance. So I'm gonna bring that cruiser right here. We're gonna put him in. Pull up.
Want us to check him first?
What is this?
All right, turn to your left. Or your right. Turn to your right.
What happened?
Pull up. Load
Not
him up.
good
Pull up.
to do like this.
That's that, brother.
One detained. She said she's by herself.
Not good this. I'm tourist and this is good, not good.
Yeah, it's not good. It's right.
Make a sweep this place.
I don't know. He's got it up.
She said she came by her. She said he's by himself.
Anybody else?
She said he's by himself. This guy gonna make sure he's got nothing on.
We look.
Find out.
Relax. We look. Relax. We're gonna get you to stand up first. You got that? Sit up.
One detained. We've made contact with the front. Good hat down, gentlemen. Good
Up.
hat down. Come over here, man. Open up. Open up. Turn your shit on. That's good.
He's got a wallet or something. Another cell phone.
You two stay with him. You stay with him. Okay.
I'm gonna have you remove your shoe. You got that? Lift your back leg up. Lift your left leg up. Lift your left leg. This leg, lift it. Backwards.
Embassy.
Lift your other leg up.
Says he works for the embassy.
That's nice. Lift your leg up.
Broken my telephone also.
Yeah, so you broke
Yes.
my nail.
Really well.
All right, man. Go here. Come this way.
Hey, are you guys good? Hold the front. We're just going to sweep the lot. There's possibly a second guy on scene somewhere.
Have a
You
seat in
guys
the
okay?
car.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, your LT's back up. We're going to sweep the lot real quick.
Okay.
Get in there. Watch your leg.
One of the cell phones I threw over there is ringing.
Snap that fucking net straight.
Here, you want to call this in? No. Hey. Here, I have a couple more cards. Right here. It's a bunch of SIM cards. He has them all right now. There's like 6 or 7 different ones.
Amherst. Flea Market.
He had this thing in here.
Drop down.
No idea what that is. Not one of them.
I don't know which one to fucking read.
Let me see. Give it to me.
Yeah, I threw it in the bushes. It was ringing a minute ago. Take your shit in your pants on the way over here.
Yeah.
You alright? That's why I snapped my nail in half when I went to dig. It grabbed the little chunks and it fucking snapped my nail.
You want a Band-Aid or something? Got it. Grab a steak.
You'll stow this.
Yeah, that would be a United Arab identification card. Cancel.
Got it. I thought I saw it when I was searching. I'm like, where did that come from?
From the silver minivan? So here's your shoes.
The white Honda? Sebring. Yeah, Sebring. I don't know if this is his. Is this yours? There's a second one over here somewhere.
Ahmed? He's police? He's a police officer? Where? In Cleveland? Speak Arabic? Inside?
Not sure.
Just a message. You want to leave a message? Have him call you back? Call him again?
Is he there? Yeah. This is Officer Smith, the Avon Police Department. Who am I talking to? Good. Yeah, hold on one second. Can't hear him.
This is Officer Cedar, Avon Police Department.
We have your brother. Why we did what we did.
His name is also Ahmed. Okay, well here's the issue. He's at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. The employee here at Fairfield stated he came in. He's fully dressed in a white gown.
If you could explain to him why we did what we did, that's what I'm explaining. We'll apologize. I just need to and
You okay?
they got scared, called us, and we detained him. And
You okay?
Call you back, okay? Thanks. And now
He just passed out.
So, that's come in looking for there were no. Yeah, several cell phones with her. She got nervous because of how he was dressed.
Sir, what kind of medical issues do you have?
He had a stroke. He's here in Cleveland for
You had a stroke?
treatment.
Okay.
Family member called us. Okay.
He's had a
Do you have
stroke.
heart problems?
Is this your brother? No. My daughter was the dog's fire.
Did he hit his head?
You guys heard it.
I don't think so. He started falling and I caught him at the last second.
Okay.
I don't think he kind of sat.
Does something hurt?
He is out of handcuffs
You're hot?
now. Our paramedics are looking at him, but
All right, we're getting the cop right now.
We had a detained that came out of drawn, but this person stated
That's a long name.
Yeah.
maintaining allegiance to him.
We're going to pick you up and put you on the cot here. 1 second, okay?
Yes.
I'm going to take your glasses, give them to the officer here, and put them with your other possessions.
The thing was,
Can you talk to me?
Ahmed, how do you feel? What's going on?
we found out that
You not feel so well?
filing charges.
All right, boss, I'm going to sit you up here.
We couldn't explain it because he
How you feel? Not good?
Not good? Okay. All right, I'm going to grab your wrist, boss. I'm going to stand you up, and we're going to move you to this cot. You got me?
how the call came in. Just want to grab his leg. The squad's going to be taking him to get checked out.
I'm probably going to St. John West Shore, probably. St. John's.
I guess we're taking him.
Ahmed, can you talk to me so we can treat you here?
We just wanted, we're going to give
I
him
think I got Tom Union 827 that I lost the last 3.
explain to him why.
No. He was nodding me and acknowledging. Here, cross him over.
I copy that.
Once we determined that little call immediately, took him out of cuffs, took him out of the car. But now he's totally transformed. I will. You know what, let me,
54, I need that info again.
I'm gonna have this officer
I'm gonna get your information, okay, so I can contact you. Okay, what is your name?
Station standby 1.
Okay, Officer Alley. Your badge number what?
Station F, first female is Robert John 018190. RJ 018190.
Nick is on the phone with a friend or
He's a Cleveland PD officer who's his friend.
Young 632753. CY 632753.
Let me go grab my camera.
Bring it when you're done. If you could.
Yeah, I'll get it to you in 2 seconds.
Both are clear now, 54.
3723, I'm clearing the scene unless you need something.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
No, he's okay. He's being looked at in the squad. We just have all of his property with us. Did you drop him off here at the Fairfield Inn?
137.
Go to radio.
What part is he driving?
I can get you and make your way this
Chrysler
way. I
Sebring?
got a report that there's
That's
a
green in color?
right close to
Okay.
the road on 83 between Detroit and Milton.
Next line of duty, I'll take care of this.
Okay, so the car's in your name?
Rated Tuesday between Detroit and Milton.
Okay.
Yep, I was at about halfway through. The best location I could get.
Maroon in color? Or green?
Okay.
I see it. Special plate on it? Yeah, smart. Okay, yeah, I found it.
I'll
Okay.
grab a bag for all this.
All right, thank you. She never said anything about it. No, you knew that was his car?
Yeah, he said that was his.
I was in the process of trying to explain to the guy what we did and apologize to him when he decided to go down.
I'll go grab a bag to throw all the stuff in.
That's what we got. To him, before he goes away.